So you're thinking about becoming a software developer, or you're at a point where you're seriously considering your next career move. With all the buzz around generative AI tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and Google Gemini, you might be wondering, is it still worth learning to code? The short answer is yes, definitely. But why? In this video, we're not just asking if coding still matters. We're asking whether humans still need to learn it, despite the fact that AI can write so much of it for us. These AI models are changing the way we code and will continue to do so at a rapid pace. But here's the thing. They don't make the fundamentals obsolete. Instead, they build upon them. This skill can be applied to many aspects of life, from critical thinking to problem solving. And speaking of problem solving, that's the second pro. Coding teaches you how to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable ones, which is an invaluable skill no matter what you do in life. Knowing these principles lets you use AI-generated code effectively and also understand its limitations. In fact, it's creating new opportunities and challenges that only humans can tackle. So if you're considering a career in tech, don't let AI intimidate you. Learning to code is still a smart move. It's a skill that will pay dividends for years to come. The tech landscape is changing fast, and new tools and frameworks are emerging all the time. With a solid understanding of coding, you can adapt quickly and learn new things easily. Plus, it'll help you spot the next big thing before everyone else does. Plus, it'll help you identify and fix issues in the generated code, which brings us to the first pro, understanding the fundamentals. Coding lets you bring your ideas to life by creating your own software and applications. It's like having superpowers. Coding is like learning a language, but instead of words and sentences, you're dealing with syntax and code blocks. But wait, there's more. The third pro is adaptability, and the fourth pro is creativity and innovation. And finally, the fifth pro is career opportunities. Yes, the role of coders is evolving, but the demand is still high for skilled professionals who can work with AI and manage complex systems. That's why it's so important to understand how it works. If you know how AI models work under the hood, you'll be able to use them more effectively and also be aware of their limitations. No AI model is perfect, and they all have biases and blind spots. It's important to be aware of these so that you can avoid potential pitfalls. Now, these are just a few of the many reasons why you should learn to code in 2025. It's important to remember that AI is not going anywhere. In fact, it's only getting smarter and more integrated into our lives. So yes, AI is changing the game, but it's not making coders obsolete. And remember, the future is not something we enter. The future is something we create. Thanks for watching. Comment below and let us know your thoughts.